I'm at Berkey Park in Sarasota. Just thought I'd give you a little tour of the park where you can rent out these bikes, and maybe you want to go downtown Sarasota or go over the John Ringling Bridge. And look how beautiful it is outside here. I'm out here at Berkey Park. Just a beautiful day, beautiful palm trees. You have the John Ringling Bridge. And this is Berkey Park in Sarasota, Florida. So if you'd like to find your paradise home, well, contact me today, Laura Barshaw with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Ashley Properties. We have single family homes. We have waterfront condos, as you can see here. And this is truly paradise. Thank you.